Hello, partner! Welcome to TBO. In this video, I will tell you more about transfers. We start by going to the main homepage of TBO Holidays and select the Transfer and Search. As a travel agency or as a travel agent, we always want to increase our profit margin. So here, with help of our transfers product, you can increase the profit. Here you will be able to see your available limit and wallet balance. We offer two options for you to book. One is airport transfer, and the other one is point-to-point transfer. Book transfers to and from all transportation terminals, such as airports, seaports, railway stations, and hotels. Book point-to-point transfers between any two locations of your choice. For example, you book a hotel for Dubai, and now your client is coming from Paris. He or she might ask you, "Is it possible that you book a transfer for me?" You can say confidently, "Yes, I can do it." So let me show you how. For example, as your client is coming to Dubai, let's begin by choosing our origin as Dubai International Airport. You have booked Atlantis the Palm Hotel for your client, so put that as the destination. Make sure to select the flight arrival date and time here. As you update the flight arrival date and time, system will auto-calculate pickup time. Update the number of packs here. It could be adult or it could be a child. Proceed by hitting search. You'll be able to see the multiple options which we offer. As per your client's requirement, choose the best suitable option. As you choose to book, focus on this part, which is the luggage. Very important to always ask your client how much luggage he or she is thinking to carry. If the client is carrying more than 4 bags, then this sedan should not be booked, as only 3 luggages are allowed in this sedan. Want to choose a trusted service provider? Choose the one with badge. This TBO badge is given to the supplier on the basis of their ratings and reviews provided by the bookers. The price which you find here is the net price. Want to quote the price to your client? You don't have to calculate the markup separately and then share. We have made your work easy. Set your markup here, and the rates will get updated, and then you may quote the price to your client. Choose the best suitable option as per your client, and click on Book Now. Review the trip summary one final time before updating the passenger details. We do provide an option to check the fare breakup at this point. Fill in the passenger details and update any special requests which you need. Update the correct airline code and flight number, so this will be passed to the driver, who will check if the flight is on time or delayed and be ready for your arrival. Check the cancellation policy before proceed to pay. As you reviewed all the details, accept the terms and conditions and proceed to voucher the booking. Click on Yes to confirm the booking, as we do provide an option to confirm the booking and voucher later. That's it, your booking is now confirmed. Your client wants to voucher the booking. Just click on Generate Voucher, and this will take you to the payment page. We provide multiple payment options. Choose the suitable option and voucher the booking. And that's it. Happy selling!